Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes. Wow. That's very good. And are you, it's nice to see you again. It's nice to see you
Con được.
again. So I can
Em
see
mà
that.
đừng nói gì luôn em mà đừng con chẳng
Okay.
có con.
So, okay, so while
À,
Tom
gì?
is not here, so we will first review this lesson because last time, so I, teacher, and Tom had already discussed this part of the lesson. So
Bố xem
now,
mà chị này
let's have this lesson again. So let's read this first. So let's read, what's this? Okay, let's read.
What's
What's
this?
very good? It's an old bus.
Oh, boss.
Okay, one more time. It's an
Is an
old
old legendary
bus.
bus.
Okay,
Đấy
it's an
em.
old bus. It's an old bus.
Is an old bus.
Okay, very good. So now let's have this question.
Ủa,
So what's this? So we
bụng đâu đây?
use so we
Không,
use
bố sợ
this.
kia đúng không? Nhưng sợ bố lại đi thêm màn hình điện thoại.
Okay. Okay, so Ken, for the question, what's this? So we use this to ask about one thing that is close to us. For example, this one. Can you see this one, Ken? What's this, Ken?
What's this?
It's a
It's a pen.
very good. It's a pen. Okay, so Tom is already here. Okay, so let's
Để
continue
đấy.
the lesson since
Đi
Tom
làm xong đi
already
xem màn hình điện
know
thoại mẹ.
this lesson. So next, hello Tom, good evening. Good evening and welcome to our class again. So it's nice to see you
Hello
both
Tom.
again. Hello Tom. Okay, so it's nice to see you both again in this class. Okay, so but first, so since Tom
Đi.
already know this part of the lesson, so I will just first discuss this lesson to Kian. Okay, because Kian is not here last Friday. So for this one, let's first read this one, Kian. What's that? Let's say, what's
What's
what that?
that?
Okay, very good. So for this one, this question, we use this or we use that to ask about thing that is far from us. For example, this one.
Yeah.
What's that? What's that?
What that
It's a
is a bus.
very good. It's a bus. How about this? What's that? What's that?
What
It's a
pen?
It's a pen. Very good. So it's a pen. So that is how we answer this question. What's this? What's that? It's a or it's an. Okay. So next. So next, let's read this one. What are these?
What are these?
Okay. So we answer this question with their, new bus.
New bus.
Okay, one more time. Their
Their
new bus.
new bus.
Okay, very
There
good.
are new bus.
Okay, perfect. Next, what are those?
What are those?
Okay, so our question, So these two questions, so we answer what are these and what are those with there. Okay, so there and what is the thing. So for example, this one. What are these, Ken? What are
What are
these?
these?
There,
The
new bus or new
new bus.
buses. Okay, very good. So when we say there, it is short for they are. So now, let's practice this one, Ken. Okay, let's take a look at this, or let's first listen to the sound of this story or this activity. So let me just have this sound. So this is Unit 8. Okay, so let's first listen.
Is.
Page 78.
What
C. Listen,
is
ask, and
an
answer.
old bus?
Then practice.
What are
What's
the
this?
Okay.
It's an old bus.
new
What's
buses?
that?
It's an old bus.
What are these?
They're new buses.
What are those? They're new buses. What's? What is? It's. It is. There. They are. Buses. Trucks. Trains. Boats.
1.
What's this? It's an old bus.
Okay, let's proceed to number 1, Ken. So let's take a look at this one. What's these? Is it new or old bus?
What
What's
this?
what's these?
What
It's
this is an old bus.
very good. It's an old bus. How about this
Wow.
one? What are these?
What are
There,
they?
there.
New buses.
Very good. Next, what's that?
What that is a small truck.
Okay, very good. Next one is, oh, let's go back. How about this? Number 4. What are those?
What this is an old
There.
bus.
This one. What are those?
What are those?
There.
They big truck.
Very good. They are big trucks. So next, how about this one? What's that?
What that is a long truck.
Very good. Next, what are those?
What are those? They are short truck.
Okay, one more time. Let's say trains.
Train.
Very good. Number 7. What's these?
What this is a bus.
Fast boat.
That bus.
Okay, and last one. What are those?
What are they?
What are
They
these?
are
There.
small bus.
Okay, let's say slow boat. Slow.
Slow bus.
Okay, so very good. So now, so good job. So that is how we use and answer what are these, what's this, and what's that. Okay. So for this one, so let's have this activity. Oh, this one. So let's have this one, Kian and Tom. So how many bus can you see in the picture? How many? How many bus? Kian and Tom. How many bus? Two bus. Okay, shall we use bus? Very good. Very good. So we will use two buses. Okay, one more time. Let's say two buses. Two buses.
Two
Okay.
buses.
Okay, so we will use those in this one because the
Those.
bus is far. Yes, so those are two buses. Those are, okay, let's read. Those are two buses. Okay, so next Ken and Tom. How many truck can you see in the second picture? One truck. Very good. Very good. So shall we use truck or trucks?
Truck.
If we own, very good. So if we only, very good. So if we only have one, so we will just use truck instead of trucks. So if we have two trucks, so we will use trucks. But since we only have one, so we will use truck. So one truck. And for this one, we will use these because as we can see in the picture, so the boy is near or close to the truck. So the sentence here will be, this is a truck. Okay, let's read. This is a truck. Okay, so we will use this. Next, how about in the third one? How many train can you see in number 3? How many train? On how many train? There are 1, 2, 3. So there are only how many train? So one train. So we have one train. So for this one's very good. So since we only have one train, so we will use that.
One
Okay.
truck.
One. Okay, one more time. Let's say train.
Train.
Train. Very good. Good
Train.
job to the both of you. So we only have one train. So the train is the train far or near the boy? Is the train far or near the boy?
Đoàn tàu ở xa hay gần cậu bé?
Near or
Far.
far? Far. Very good. The train is far. So we will use here that because we
That.
only have, very good. So we only have one train and the train is far. So we will say that is a train.
Yeah.
Okay, one more time. Let's say train.
Train.
Very
Train.
good. That is a train. Let's say the sentence. That is a train. Okay, next. How many boat can you see in the fourth picture? How many boat? How many
Two
boat?
boats.
Two boats. So shall we use boat or boats? two boat or boats? We will
Turbos.
use
Turbos.
two boats.
Boat.
Very good. So with letter S. And is the boat or are the boats near or far the girl? Are the boats near or far the girl?
Những chiếc thuyền ở xa hay gần cô gái?
Near or far?
Gun.
It is near. Because as you can see, it is just next to the girl. So we will use here these. Since we have, very good. Since we have two boats, so we will say these are two boats. Very good. Let's read the sentence once again. These are two boats.
These are two boats.
Okay, perfect. Very good too. Ken and Tom. So now, let's go to our next page. Okay. So let's have this activity. So we will look at the transportation. And teacher will have a question for these transportations. So you will answer it's or they are. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. What is this, Kian and Tom? What's
Is
this?
a fast boat.
Very good. It's a fast boat. How about this one? What
What's
are
this?
what are those? What are those?
What are those?
There
There are summer boats.
small boats. Very good. Or slow. Let's say slow. There
Slow boats.
slow. Very good. How about Tom? What are those, Tom? What are those? There
There are
slow.
slow boats.
Okay, very good. Good job to the both of you. How about this one? What is this, Kian and Tom? What's
Small
this? Very good. It's
What's this? Is a summer truck.
very good. How about Tom? What is this? Is it a small or big truck?
Small truck.
Very good. What shall we say?
This
It's
is
it's
a
a
small truck.
very good. Good job. How about this one? What are these?
Is
What?
a big truck. This
Okay.
What are
Okay.
the
There.
big truck?
Okay, very good. So instead of using it's or these, so we will answer by their. Their big trucks. Okay, one more time. Tom and Ken. What are these? Their
They are big trucks.
very good. Very good, Tom. How about Ken? What are these? Their big trucks. Okay. How about this one? Tom and Ken. What is what is this, Tom and Ken? What's this? Is it a new or old bus?
What's this? Is
New or
new.
old bus?
New bus.
Are you sure? Is it new or old?
Yeah. New bus.
Is it a new
Yeah.
Is it a new bus? No, no.
Ah,
This this one is an old
Buses.
bus. This is an old bus. So when we say old,
Oh, bus.
so it is not new. So it's an what's this? It's an old bus. Okay, one more time. What's this, Ken and Tom? It's an
Is a is an old bus.
very good. It's an old bus. How about this? What are these? New or old buses? New or old buses?
Buses.
There are two buses, but is it new
Nawa.
or old? New or old? It is, or they are,
Nawa.
they are,
new bus.
okay, bus or buses?
Bo.
Bus or buses?
Yung basubalan.
So we will use buses because we have two buses here. So instead of using bus, we will say buses. So they're new buses.
Buses.
Okay? Okay, one more time. What are these, Ken and Tom? They're new. They are? What are they? They're new.
There are new buses.
Oh, very good. They are new buses. So good job. So now let's move on to the next page. Okay. So let's have this transportation. So let's look at number 1. What is the name of this transportation, Ken and Tom? This is a bus. Number 1. Are you sure this is a bus? Very good. Very good, Tom. This is a train.
Train.
So this is a train. How about number 2?
Bus.
How many buses?
3
Very
buses.
good. 3 buses. Good job. Next, number 3.
1 truck.
What? 1 truck. Perfect. Very, very good. 1 truck. Next, number 4. 4
Three
is
bus.
what?
3 bus.
Very
Three
good.
boats.
This is 3 boats. Good job. So next. Okay. So let's have number 2, this one. What are those? Ken and Tom, what are
3
those?
buses.
Those are
No, 3 buses.
3 buses. Very good. Is it new? Is it new or old buses? New or old buses?
New or old buses?
These are new buses. Very good. So these are new buses. Are they are they big? Are they big buses? Yes or no? Are they big? Are these bus big or small? Yes, yes, they are. Okay, one more time. Let's say, yes, they are. Are they big? Yes or no? Yes, they. Yes, they are. So next, let's look at number 1. Okay, is it a fast? Is it a fast or slow train? What do you think? Look, Ken and Tom, look at number 1. Is it fast or slow train?
Hãy nhìn vào số 1. Đó là tàu nhanh hay tàu chậm?
Tàu
Is it
nhanh.
fast?
Tàu nhanh.
Fast or very good. It's a fast train. Okay, let's say it's a fast train. Very good. So good job. Next, how about look at number 4? Number 4. So number 4, are they fast or slow boats?
Slow.
Very good. So they are slow boats. So good job. Good job, Ken. How about number 3? This one. Is it new or old truck? New or old truck?
Pass.
New or old?
Đây là xe tải mới hay cũ?
Is it new or old truck?
Full.
Oh, very good. It
Old.
is
Old.
an old. Very good. Good jobs. It is an old truck. Very good. So good job. Wow. Good job for completing Unit 8 and Lesson 4. Kien
Goodbye,
and
Tita.
Tom. Oh no, we're still not finished. Okay, so let's have a game for us to review what you have learned for this.
Peso.
Okay, let's have a bamboozle. Okay, for us to review what you have learned for this lesson. So now let's have this one. Let's have classic. Okay. So I think who will be team 1? Who wants to be team 1? Tom or Ken? Okay, so let's have team 1 for Tom and team 2 for Ken. Okay. So can you choose a number? Can you choose a number, Tom? What number?
3.
3. Okay, number 3. Okay. What's that, Tom? What's that?
It's a new hello.
New new and what's this word? Fast. It's a new fast
Train.
train. One more time. What's that, Tom? Answer in complete sentence. It's read this one.
A new
Fast.
train.
Very good. So good job. Points for you. 15 points. So next, what number, Ken? What number? 4? 4? Okay. Okay. What are these, Ken? What are these? What are these?
They
What?
are just.
Okay, very good. So they are old trucks. So good job. 15 points for Ken. So Tom, choose another number. What number? 10? This one? Okay, okay. Oh no, you will lose 5 points. Oh no. Okay, what number, Ken? It's okay. It's okay. What number, Ken? 1? Okay, number 1. Okay. Is that a slow green boat? Yes or no?
Both.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Very good. So it's fast green boat. So good job. Next, Tom. What number, Tom? Good job. What number, Tom?
24.
24. Okay, number 24. Okay, Tom, what are those? What are those?
It's an O
Are you
Oh.
sure?
fish. There are O fish.
Okay, so let's take a look at the picture, Tom. How many buses are there?
3 buses.
3 buses. Very good. And what is the answer? Is it its or their?
There
What's your
are
final answer?
O buses.
Okay, very good. Good job. So the answer here is they are old buses because we have 3 buses. So good job. Good job. Very good. Okay. So next, Ken, what number,
9.
Ken? 9? Okay, number. Oh no, other team wins 25 points. Okay, so Tom will have 25 points, so it's okay. So Tom, choose another number. It's okay. Choose another number. What number? 2. Okay, number 2. Okay. What are those?
There are O new bus.
Are you sure? What's your final answer?
There are O bus.
Are you sure? Okay, we'll check the answer now. Your answer is they're old buses?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So good job. So these are old buses because the new buses doesn't looks like this. So good job. Wow. Next, Ken, choose another number. It's okay, Ken. Choose another number. We can do it. Number 5? 5? It's okay, Ken. Don't be sad. We still have a lot of numbers. You can still. Oh my God, you have 25 points. Very good. So you now have 55 points. So good job. Good job, Ken. Don't be sad. We still have a lot of numbers. So next, Tom, can you choose another number? What number? 14? 18. Okay, let's go with 18. Okay, what are these, Tom?
It's a boat.
What kind of boat? What are these? Old boat? Old, that is an old boat or they are old boats?
There are O boats.
Okay, very good. So good job. So they are old boats because as we can see, so we have 2 boats here. So we will use there. So very good. So good job. So next, Tom, Ken, what number? So you both have 11. Okay, you both have 55 points. Don't worry. So you can still catch up. Okay, so Kian, is it an old truck? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Đây có phải là một chiếc xe tải cũ không?
Are you sure? Is it an old?
Yes.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes.
Kian, what's your final answer? Well, let's take a look at the picture. Is it old? Yes or no? Shh.
No.
This is for Ken. No. Okay, so the answer is, what's your answer? No.
No.
No? Okay, no. So let's check. Very good. So no, it's a, what is it? It's a,
No, it's a new truck.
okay, very good. Good job. So no, it's a new truck. So next, Tom, number Tom. 12. Okay, number 12. Okay, so Tom, is it the new bus?
No.
Are you sure? Final answer?
No new bus.
No, it is not. Okay, do you want to check the answer? That's your final answer? Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. No. So read this one. No, it's an.
No, it's an old bus.
Okay, very good. Read.
An old bus.
Okay, good job. Wow. You both have 70 points. Good job to the both of you. Next, number 6. This one. Okay. Okay. What's that, Ken? An old bus or a new bus? What's that?
Old bus.
Okay, let's check. Wow, very good. Good job. So now let's read the sentence. It's
It's
an
an old bus.
very good. Good job. Another 15 points. Yeah. Good job. Okay,
Nếu mà
Tom.
ngoài thích muối.
Another number, Tom. What number?
23.
23? Okay, number 23. Okay. So what are these, Tom? What are these? What are these? New boats or old boats?
They are new boat.
Okay, let's check your answer. Is this your final answer? Final answer?
That.
Okay, very good. So good job. So they new boat. So perfect. Very good. So next, Ken. What number, Ken? What
16.
number? 15 or 16? 16? Okay, 16, Ken. Okay, Ken. What is this? It's a new red bus or it's a new green bus? What's these?
A new red bus.
Okay, wow, very good. Good job. It's a new red bus. Wow, 100 points. Okay, next, Tom. Okay, Tom, you can do it. You can do it. What number? 17? Oh no, other team loses 10 points. Oh no, Ken. Oh no, it's okay. You still have the highest points. Okay, what number, Ken? What number, Ken? What number? 8? Okay, number 8. Okay. What's that, Ken? Old bus or new bus?
Old bus.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure? 100% sure?
New bus.
Okay, what's your final answer? It's an old bus or it's a new bus? It's go. It's go. You can do it, Ken. It's a. You can do it. It's okay. Go, Ken. What is it? It's an old bus or new bus? Go, you can do it. Go. New bus or old bus? Listen to what your heart says or what your brain says. What's your answer? It's an old bus or it's a new bus? It's
Is
a
old.
what?
Is an old bus.
Are you sure? Look at the picture. Is it old? Look at the picture.
Is a new bus.
Okay, are you sure? 100% sure?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So look at the picture again. So it's a new bus. So good job. It's a new bus. So when we say old, it is not new. So look at the bus. It is shining, shimmering. So it is a new bus. Okay, so good job. So next, Tom. Number, Tom. What number? 22? Wow, win 25 points. Wow, good job. Okay, so next, Ken. What number, Ken? Number, Ken?
15.
15?
15.
14? This one?
15.
15?
5.
15? Huh?
15.
15?
15.
19? What number? 13? This one?
5.
9? 5? We don't have 5. 15. It's 15. Can you circle? Circle the number. What number? Ken? Ken? Ken, what number? 15? 15. Okay, okay. Okay, so Ken, what are those? Okay. Are old buses or new buses? What are those?
New buses.
Answer in complete sentence. They're old buses or they're new buses? They're.
There are new buses.
Are you sure? 100% sure?
Yes.
Shall we check the answer?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Good job. So there, new buses. Good job. 120 points. So next, Tom. Number. So we only have 6 left. Okay, so let's finish this. Okay, what is that? What is that, Tom?
Train.
So we don't have. Huh? What is
Train.
it a train? Train? What? Okay, one more time. What is that? It's a truck. Okay, let's check. Very good. Is it old or new? Old or new? It's a.
New truck.
Okay, very good. Okay, Ken. Another number, Ken. So we only have 5. So let's finish this. 7. Okay. Okay, Ken. What are those? What are
They
those?
are new truck.
Very good. So they are new trucks. Okay, next. Next, Tom. Number, Tom. So we only have 13, 14, 19, and 20. 19? Okay, 19. Wow, win 25 points. Okay, so next, Ken, what number? We only have 13, 14, and 20. 13, okay. Okay, Ken, what's this? Is it, what's this? It's an old train or it's a fast train?
Oh,
What's this? It is Okay, let's read the complete sentence. It is an old.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Good job. You have also 150 points. So next, Tom. Oh no, don't cry. Don't cry, Ken. You have both 150 points. Okay, what's this, Tom? It's okay. It's okay, Ken. It's just a game.
Newton.
Oh, is it a new train?
Yes.
No, it's not. It's an old train. Uh-oh. Okay, so this one, it's an old train. So this is the train that we have before.
An ocean.
Okay, no points for Tom. It's okay. Ken, what number? Oh, we have 14. Okay. So for the last one, Ken, what's that? What's that, Ken?
Is an old boat. Is a new boat.
Are you sure?
Yes. Oh.
What's your final answer? New boat or old boat?
New boat.
Okay, let's check your answer. Oh no, it's not a new boat. It's an old boat. Okay. Okay, so it's a tie. So wow, good job. So you both have 150 points. So you both won. It's okay. It's a tie. You both won. So good job. Good job, Ken and Tom. So you did a great job in this lesson because I can see that you can answer simply by what is that, what is this, and what are these. Okay, so very good. So good job, Ken and Tom. So this will be the end of our lesson, and I'll see you both again soon. So good job. You did both a great job. So, Ken, what happened to Tom? Okay, thank you very much, Tom's parents and Ken. Bye bye. Thank you. You can now rest. Good